Raymond Watson, head coach Kingston College.
All right, Mr. Watson. I definitely think this was a tougher game than you'd have expected it to be. What are your thoughts about the environment and the atmosphere and the overall result of the game?
Well, it's good that we won the game. In terms of being a tougher game, not really. We got a lot of chances first half, and it's just that unfortunately we didn't score. However, Waterford really defended well, even though we got a lot of chances. But I think that if we took the chances first half, the game would be dead and buried.
Based off the environment, the atmosphere of this game, would you think that this is probably just a little pre-preparation for what is coming this weekend?
Personally, I am used to this.
For the players then?
The players, they're getting their wake-up calls. It's a young team. People didn't remember that pre-season. No one practically gave Kingston College a chance, the last 19 players. So pre-season, we were written out, so we are actually doing well. We're probably exceeding expectations. So coming into next Saturday, I'll talk to you on Saturday.
All right, bless up again. All right, Mr. Watson, big up.